To turn on a Google Assistant in OnePlus 13, first we need to open our Google Play Store and in the search options find Google Assistant, download it, and then we'll be ready to activate it on our device. So now open a settings, scroll down to the Google and then select all services, go for search assistant and voice, and right here you can go for Hey Google and voice match, activate it as well. Then scroll down again for the digital assistants from Google and make sure that Google Assistant is also active like this. Now we can adjust the buttons which can call out our Google Assistant, and first of course you can use Hey Google to call it out if you activated that function, or we can go to the accessibility and convenience. Then in the power button function we can assign our Google Assistant to the press and hold power button right here, which will call out our Google Assistant by holding that power button like this. And that is basically everything.